What's up guys, welcome to the video. So it has been a little while since I've done a training or a physique update video. So here we are coming at you. So today we are training upper body. So we have incline bench as the main compound movement. And so I'm just warming up here. Again guys, I cannot stress this enough. Warm-ups are super important. So I just warmed up with the bar, did about 5 reps, and then I'm going to increase the weight to 95 pounds. And then I'm going to do 5 reps. And again, this is all to get the central nervous system warmed up and firing and get you nice and ready for your work sets. You know, it's very important to do these warm-up sets because if you don't properly warm up and you just go straight to your work sets, most likely you're going to be a little bit weaker because your central nervous system isn't fully firing, warmed up, and ready for the heavier load. So this is why I do take my time warming up. So I do about 5 reps each with all of these sets here. But right here is 185 pounds, and so we're getting closer to my work sets. So I just did 3 reps here just so I wouldn't get a little extra fatigued. So then my working weight was 225 pounds. So we're shooting for 5 sets of 4 to 6 reps here. And I thought I could hit sets of 5 across the board, but the first 2 sets I did hit sets of 5, and then I didn't want to go to absolute failure, so I just hit 4s for the remaining 3 sets. And that's one important thing guys, you do not want to train to absolute failure. So say if my first set I went straight to 6 reps, went to failure, my next set I'm going to be so much weaker. I probably might only be able to get 4 reps. And then I'll probably struggle to get 4 reps for the rest of the workout, probably even hitting just 3 on the last set. So definitely do not train to absolute failure. Leave at least 1 to 2 reps in the tank, so that way every week you can just steadily keep on progressing. And so after every set of the incline bench press, we would rest for 2 minutes, and then we're going to do some chin-ups. So 4 to 6 reps here, and so we're going to repeat that back and forth between the incline bench and the chin-ups for a total of 5 sets here. And the next movement was some decline presses. So I just use this machine here, and again I like to use the machine because it's very difficult to set up on a decline bench with dumbbells if you don't have someone to hand you the weights. So I like this machine too, it just gives you a nice contraction and it is actually pretty comfortable. So we did 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps here, and then we're going to rest for 75 seconds, and we're going to do some chest supported rows. And this is definitely another machine that I do like to use. When you just kind of use a machine and it just feels right, and then there's some machines that you use and it just feels really awkward because of the angles, and it just doesn't feel like it just doesn't feel comfortable. So this is a great machine, gives you a nice deep stretch, nice contraction at the top. And so 4 sets of 8 to 10, and then we did some tricep extensions, so 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps here. And again, I really want to bring my arms up. When I was like full on bear mode, everything was just full and big, but now that I'm leaner, my upper body has shrunk a little bit. Actually, my entire body has shrunk a little bit. It's inevitable, it happens when you diet, but that's just kind of what you got to accept for aesthetics and to be lean. So we rest for 60 seconds after this and do some standing cable curls, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, and we're going to repeat that back and forth between the tricep press downs and the cable curls. And to finish off the workout, we did some dumbbell lateral raises. So we had 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps here, and again my delts are another body part that I would like to really improve and bring up. On every upper body day I am doing some lateral raises, so that is a workout I hope you guys enjoyed. And now let's look at my physique, how I'm currently looking. So obviously when I was bear mode I was much bigger, I had a lot more mass on my body, but I think I'm not doing too bad. I did diet for about 13 weeks, dropped a lot of body fat, and now what I'm doing is just basically maintaining this physique while doing a big cheat day once per week, fully enjoying myself, eating tons of donuts, pizza, burgers, and you name it. So I'm just really enjoying this lifestyle that I have, not being so restricted and just having a really good balance, so I think we are in good shape, looking pretty decent, and yeah, I'm just having a great time. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that workout. Now that workout was from yesterday and today is Friday, so that was my upper body training session. And today I'm actually filming a cheat day, so I'm filming the 50,000 subscriber cheat day. And once again, thank you so much to all of you guys. I really appreciate all the support. It's just been straight amazing, and I'm having a great time producing all this content for you guys, and it seems like you guys are really enjoying it. I mean, yeah, there's some people that are disliking the video, but I can't please everybody, so I appreciate everybody that does dislike it for watching and taking their time out of the day, so thank you guys too. So let's talk about my physique and kind of what's going on. So it has been a little bit since I've done a training video or a physique update, so I figured I was due. So there you have it. That was my second upper body day of the week. The first upper body day is overhead press focused. So this one was focused on the incline bench. And so my strength, my pressing strength is just kind of, it's obviously not where it was when I was full on bear mode. You know, when I was 225 pounds, you know, my pressing strength was way stronger. So when I did diet down, you know, I got as low as like 203 pounds at a morning body weight. So that's like kind of like depleted before a cheat day. Right now I think I'm currently around 207 to 210 depending on the day. Probably like morning weight of like 207 and then probably like a gym weight of like maybe 210. So that's like fully hydrated, plenty of water in the system, probably food in the system. So yeah, so my physique, I really feel like my physique right now is very manageable. You know, I'm comfortable with it, I'm happy with it. Obviously I would like to have bigger arms and bigger delts, but I do think I'm looking pretty decent. Obviously I do not walk around looking like I showed you guys in the physique update after my workout. I really wish I could just walk around and just have that pump to where like your arms are full and big as well as like your delts are popping. It's almost impossible. So yeah, that's how I'm looking, and really stoked on the progress, and I find that I should be able to manage this pretty easily with still doing the cheat days. You know, I did the 15,000 calorie challenge 2 weeks ago, and then last week I think I hit close to, I think it was close to 8,000 or 9,000 calories for the cheat day. So that's pretty much where the cheat days are falling. You know, I don't have a specific target number for the cheat days. I just kind of eat till I'm satiated, till like I'm full, not till I'm overstuffed. You know, I like to just fully enjoy myself, and that's what I preach on this channel. You know, I don't go on a full glutton fest and make myself sick. You guys saw basically what happens when you do a calorie challenge when I did the 15,000 calorie challenge. You know, it was not enjoyable. A lot of you guys were kind of unhappy with the video because you guys saw me suffering, and I appreciate you guys. You know, there's a lot of people out there that just love to see that. They love to see the suffering, and that's all they care about. You know, there's a few people that were like, oh, so when are you gonna do the 20K challenge? You know, or when are you gonna do the 25K challenge? I don't know, maybe I will eventually do it, you know, maybe in a few weeks or something. So I am flying out to Vegas on Thursday, which is for the Mr. Olympia. So hopefully, if you guys are gonna be in town at the expo, it'd be cool to see you guys. So I'll be there Friday and Saturday. I don't know if it's an expo on Sunday, and I do plan to do a cheat day out there. So it would be cool, a little Vegas style cheat day. And I'm really excited to go to Vegas because I haven't gone in a while. You know, I didn't go last year, but every time I've gone to the Mr. Olympia, I've had to sit in a booth, you know what I mean? Because I would go with somebody or be part of the expo. But now I'm gonna just go and meet up with friends and just cruise around the expo and just have a good time and really enjoy myself. So I'm really looking forward to that. And then after Vegas, I plan to go to California for maybe like 1 to 2 weeks. I really want to go skate a lot more, so I want to go visit the barracks. And I really want to get back on my board a lot more. So been really just having the itch for it lately. So I did a podcast with the Bunt Live, and we were just talking about, you know, they brought up stuff like old skating days, growing up skating, traveling, you know, and just bringing up all those memories. You know, it just brought me back, and I was just really like, man, I miss it so much, you know. So upcoming, you know, I really want to skate a lot more. I'm gonna probably back down on the training, most likely on the lower body training. I'll probably just maybe train lower body once per week, or maybe just twice per week, but just having a much lighter day so I can recover. You know, I love squatting, I love progressing, and I love training, you know, absolutely love it, you know, but skateboarding has been a huge part of my life, and I feel like it's just kind of been missing for a little while, you know, like I just really miss it. And don't get me wrong, I love the gym, like it's amazing because there is no limit, you know, you can keep on progressing, you can, there's no end goal, you know, there's no limit to the point where, oh, I already did everything, you know, you can always add 5 pounds or add an extra rep or something. So I really like basically just the grind of just progressing in the gym. And that's how I was with skateboarding, you know, I wanted to just steadily progress and get better and be able to do tricks that I wanted to do. And I was consistent and I was dedicated to it, and, you know, I was patient with it. You know, and that's all I did. I practiced with the consistency, and that's what got me to the level I was at. So yeah, like I'm really excited for what's to come. And of course, I'm gonna keep producing content for you guys. I love doing this stuff, and I really appreciate everybody's support. So alright, that is gonna be this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions at all, please leave them in the comment box below. And yeah, we are filming a cheat day today, right now. It is Friday. So yeah, I'm just wrapping up this video. I'm gonna get it edited. Should have this video out by Saturday, and then the cheat day video will probably be maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, just to space out the content a little bit. But yeah, all right, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next video.